the surprise thing that I was talking about, the new challenge that I'm doing. I watched a video today by the Financial Minute, and his challenge that he's doing is he wants to vlog, and he's like, I want to build $0 into $1 million in 2 years. So he's like, I don't know if I'll get it, but we're going to go like crazy and we're going to try to get it. So I was like, that's awesome. That's dedicated. I'm doing the same thing. So what am I going to do? I'm going to sell some stuff that I have, and I'm going to get that ball rolling. $0. I'm taking stuff that I have and starting it. Now, I'll leave a link to the video where he talks about what he's doing. I'll leave that in the description down below. So the Financial Minute, starting at $0. So what am I going to do? I'm going to see what I have to sell. I'm going to sell stuff. And then I'm going to work from there. And the goal is 2 years, $1 million. So I figured, what are some of the things that I've done? I've got Fetch rewards. Everyone on here is probably already using Fetch rewards, but if you're not, hey, I'm going to leave the referral link down below. Not sponsored by them, nothing like that. But if you use the referral link and put my code in there, you get extra points, I get extra points, win-win. You've already spent the money. Just snap a picture of the receipt and, hey, turn them in for gift cards. Same thing with Receipt Hog. Same thing, snap a picture. You get money, or you get points, which can be traded in for gift cards. Same thing, I'll have the link down below. Now, another thing I use is it's called the Fold app. And once again, none of these are sponsors, but I'll leave the referral link down below. Now, the Fold app, they do offer a checking account. That might be something you'd be interested in there, Caleb Bale. You might want to look into this one and see how that checking account works. But what it does is it gives you Bitcoin. So I go onto this app every single day, and you can spin a wheel. It gives you a chance to win Bitcoin. Very minute amount. They call them sats. So you might win 5 sats. And it takes 50,000 sats before you can cash out. But you can cash it out for Bitcoin. And I can't remember how much. One sat is like 0.1 millionth of a Bitcoin or something like that. Or 1/10 millionth, I don't know, but it's a very small amount. Like I've got 30,000 sats or something like that, and it's worth, I don't know, $12 in Bitcoin. But all I do is go on there every day, spin the wheel, and I get a chance to win some small amount of Bitcoin. And every 7 days, it gives you a bonus for 7 consecutive days. And plus, if you use that, if you sign up, you'll get, I think it's 5,000 free sats. You get 5,000 sats for using that referral. And then, I don't think I get any sats for the referral. However, if you hit the wheel and it's like, oh, you get X amount of sats for every referral you've given. But the cool thing is this, they have gift cards. Now, you can purchase a gift card. Let's say Amazon's one of them. So if you're going to go on to Amazon, you just click on that gift card, the Amazon gift card, and then buy it through the Fold app and just put the money through there. And then it gives you extra amount in Bitcoin, extra sats for whatever you spend the money on. And I figure, hey, and that's what I do. So I'm like, if I'm going to spend some money on Amazon, I'm going to put the money on the gift card through the Fold app, get the extra sats, go do what I can with Amazon. And then, hey, if you've got your Amazon and linked to your Fetch and probably your Receipt Hog, now you've just triple dipped. You've made some Bitcoin. You've got some Fetch rewards. You've got some Receipt Hog. You'll be rolling in bank before you know it. So I'm going to use the money that I get from these to fund towards that $1 million in 2 years. And the other thing I do, crazy, you'll never believe it, I don't know, anybody that used to smoke, if you remember years ago, the Marlboro miles. Well, once again, Marlboro, they don't have the miles, but inside their packs, they have these little codes. And if you sign up and download the Marlboro app, I take those codes, and then you can put in 30 packs worth of codes in a month, and it's 3,000 points. And then for your birthday, they'll give you extra points. If you go on there to the actual Marlboro.com and watch videos, they'll give you get more points. So then you can turn around and you can take those points, and I exchange them for Visa gift cards. I just turned it in for a $20 gift card, which I was going to use, but I ended up using it because one of the things Josie does is she cleans gravestones at the local graveyard. She'll clean the gravestones, and she needed some specialty soap. So I went and bought this specialty soap for her so that she can clean up all these old gravestones and stuff. So I use that. It's like $40 for this tub of soap. And I mean, cut it in half. And basically it was because people who smoke paid for it. I don't smoke, but I tell you what, when I see a pack of Marlboros in the trash, I pull it out, rip that code off, and then later on I put the code in. So all the smokers out there paid for my daughter to get, some specialty soap so she can clean the gravestones at the local graveyard. So that's my challenge. $0 to 1 million in 2 years. Will I make it? I don't know. But you know what? We're going to go like crazy, and we're going to try. So I'm down for that one. Let's see what I can do. So, all right, everybody. That's my update. That's my Finance Friday video. So, once again, give me a big thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. If you like content like this, subscribe to my channel down below. 0 to 1 million. Links in the description. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Have a great weekend.